Stop.
What are your rules?
Stop.
Okay.
And what to say?
You tell me. You tell me what the rules are.
No
I don't know.
picking your nose.
This one
Yeah.
is no picking your nose.
Yeah.
Okay. What's this one?
No flapping.
No what?
No panic.
Don't panic.
No flapping.
No slapping.
No I say.
What? No slapping. What's this one say?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. What's that one?
Paper airplane. No throwing.
No paper airplanes. Okay.
And no flapping.
And no slapping again.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so let's look at it again. So it's, what's this one? What's this
Stop.
one? Stop. What's this one?
Don't pick your nose.
Don't pick your nose. And this one?
And don't flap.
Don't slap. And what's this one?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
No paper airplane throwing.
No paper airplane throwing. And that one? What's that one?
Slapping.
No slapping. Awesome. Those are good rules.
And-
All right.
And to say listen in your heart.
Listen in your heart. Yeah, is that what you think too?
Yeah, and
Awesome.
listen in your heart.
Oh, yeah? Awesome. All right. Ooh, that's dark. There you are. Okay. Thanks for showing me the rules. Later.